Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about the runtime class and ProcessBuilder class. Okay, using runtime class now we will play the music. Let's see this example. Here I have created the package. Package name is model1. Okay, and I have imported the runtime inbuilt class which is present inside the java.language package. Okay. So we know already java.language package is the default package. So there is no need to explicitly write like this. Okay. And I have created the class runCLS. Inside this class I have created the main method. Here I have used the throws keyword. We know already about the throws keyword. The throws keyword is used in a method signature and declares which exceptions can be thrown from a method. Here I have created the object for runtime class and getRuntime. This method is used to return the runtime object. Okay, and here I have created the array variable yes. Its data type is string. The size of the array is only 2. That is 0th index and first index. Inside the 0th index, I gave the path of the application or software. Okay. Inside this path only I have the VLC software. That's why I have given here this path. Okay. So you give your own path. Okay. And inside the first index, I store the path of the audio file. Okay. Inside this path, I have this audio file. So you give your audio file path. And here I have used the execute method that is present inside the runtime class. That's why I have used the object for this runtime class. Okay. So inside the yes, we have two parameters. Isn't it? 0th index we have the application path and the first index we have the audio file path. Isn't it? So now with the help of this runtime inbuilt class, I try to play the music. That is, this is my audio file path. Okay. Let me execute this one. Okay, I hope you are understood about the runtime inbuilt class. Next, see this example. Here I have used the package model1 and here I have imported the inbuilt exception class IO exception that is present inside the java.io package and the ProcessBuilder. This is present inside the java.language package. Okay, and this is my class ProcessCLS, and inside this class I have created the main method. Here I have used the throws keyword. So now only we have discussed throws keyword is used in a method signature and declares which exceptions can be thrown from a method. Isn't it? And here I have created two variables, soft and video. Okay, both are string data type. Here I have given the path of the software. Okay, VLC.exe is present in my system. Inside this path only, that's why I have given. So you give your own path. Okay, and this is my video file. Okay, this is present in my system inside this path only. So I have given. So you give your one path. Okay, and I have created the object for ProcessBuilder. This is present inside the java.language package. Okay, and here this is the parameterized constructor for this class. Okay, here I have passed two attributes. Soft. Inside the soft we have the software path, and inside the video we have the video file path. Okay, and here I have used the start inbuilt method. This method is present inside the ProcessBuilder. That's why I have used the builder object. Okay, because this is the object for ProcessBuilder. Okay, so this start method is used to start the process. Okay, I hope you all understood about the ProcessBuilder inbuilt class. So using this class, now I play the video file. Okay, let me execute this one. Okay, so now we have completed the runtime inbuilt class and ProcessBuilder inbuilt class. Okay, both are present inside the java.language default package. Okay, and using these classes, now we have played the audio and video files. Okay, now let's discuss about the clone method. Okay, this method is present inside the Cloneable interface. Okay, this interface is present inside the java.language package. So what is the use of clone? It is used to return the copy of the object. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have created the class. This is my class name, implements Cloneable. Here I have used the implements keyword. Why? Because this is the interface, not the class. Okay, that's why I have used the implements keyword instead of the extends keyword. Okay, inside the Cloneable, we have the clone method. That method is used to return the copy of the object. Okay, and here I have created two variables, roll number and name. Roll number data type is integer, name data type is string. So what is this? This is the parameterized constructor, isn't it? Here this is the name of the class. Okay, constructor name should be same as the class name. And here I have the parameters. So what type is this? This is the parameterized constructor. And here I have used this keyword, we know already. This is used to refer the current class reference. Okay, this dot roll number is equal to the parameter value. Likewise, this dot name, this belongs to this class, and this name is this parameter value. Okay, and I have created the main method. Execution starts only from the main. And inside this main method, I have implemented the try catch. I have implemented the exception handling to maintain the execution flow of the program. Okay, in order to avoid the runtime errors. Okay, here inside the try block, we have to place the suspicious code. If any error is raised, means this catch block is responsible to handle the error which are raised inside the try block. Okay, and this is the clone not supported exception. Okay, one of the inbuilt exception class. Okay, here I have created two objects, S1 and S2 for the same class. Okay, my child class, and this is the interface. And here new keyword is used to create the memory for S1 during the execution of the program, and this is our parameterized constructor. Okay, so after encounter this line, the control carries these values and jumps from the 23rd line to the parameterized constructor here. Okay, and this 101 will be stored inside the roll number and Amit will be stored inside the name. Okay, and then roll number, name will be initialized with the help of the value of roll number and name, that is 101 and Amit. Okay, and the control again jumps back from the 12th line to the 25th line. Here, this is our second object for the same class. But here I have used the clone method. So this method is used to create a copy of this object. Okay, this method is used to create the copy of this object. Okay, that will be stored inside this new object. Okay, and this is the casting. Okay, so it returns the copy of the object. Inside the round brackets, I passed the name of the class. Okay, casting is done here. Okay, and the copy of S1 will be stored inside the new object S2. Okay, and the values of S1 and S2 will be printed on our console with the help of the println method. Okay, S1.roll number, S1.name. The S1 values of roll number and name will be stored inside the S2. So, the same values, roll number and name will be printed on our console. Okay, here I have used the exception class, clone not supported exception. If any error is occurred means this is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. Okay, that inbuilt error will be displayed on our console. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Okay, let me execute this one. So this is the output for this one. S1 roll number, S1 name. Okay, due to this clone method, the values of S1 is copied inside the S2. That's why we got the same value for S2. Okay, S2.roll number and S2.name. Okay, so this clone method is used to return a copy of the object. So, Cloneable is nothing but the interface. This is present inside the java.language default package. Okay, so inside the Cloneable we have the clone method. Here I have implemented the inheritance concept. This class implements Cloneable. So with the help of this object we can call the method which is present inside the Cloneable interface. Got it? We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.